Hi guys, I'm Jennifer, channel of quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't have time to cook. This comes together in less than an hour. This is a chicken taco pie made with a chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken, any chicken you have that's already cooked, or you can cook chicken and make this, or make it with ground beef. I think your family will really love it. There's a lot of variations you can do to this. You can add corn and make it your own. If you want to see how to make this delicious, quick, easy weeknight meal, keep watching. Okay, let me show you the ingredients for chicken taco pie. I've got some leftover chicken. It has to be pre-cooked so you can bake it, roast it. Mine was grilled. You need to package a taco seasoning. I'm using less sodium. You need one pre-made pie crust or buy your own. Or make your own. I'm gonna blind bake it. That's why I have some foil and some beans, baking beans. Those are just regular white beans. Once you bake them in the pie, you cannot cook them. So remember that. Got a bag of Doritos. I'm gonna use some ragu, cheddar cheese. I got some Rotel and some regular shredded cheese and a little bit of water that I may or may not need. It depends on how much sauce is in the Rotel. Welcome to my channel, quick, fast, easy meals. First thing I'm going to do, my oven is set at 400 degrees. You can go as high as 425. I'm going to put that pie shell in the oven and get it par baked. That keeps the bottom from being soggy. Okay, so I'm going to take my foil and put it inside the pie shell. And this is just to weight it down. Some people like to prick it with a fork, whatever is easiest for you. Or you don't have to blind bake it. I just don't trust a lot of pie crust putting a filling in and then the bottom is gooey and it's not really cooked. And plus this keeps it from rising up. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees just to set the crust. Okay, got my skillet on. So I've got about maybe 2 cups of pre-cooked chicken. And I should have taken a knife and chopped it up, but I'm just going to use my hands and break this apart. You can have it shredded, cubed, however your family likes it. I like it more shredded, but this is a quick way of doing it. Just doing it with your fingers. You can do 2 forks or use a really sharp knife and just keep chopping like you're doing roasted pork or something, like for a pork sandwich, pulled pork sandwich. Or you can just leave it chunky, but these pieces are a little bit too big. So I've got my oven on pretty high. And to this, I'm just seasoning it because, like I said, this is grilled chicken breast. It doesn't have any Mexican seasoning or anything. So I'm going to use 1 packet of less sodium taco seasoning. I'm going to add some Rotel. And you see it's got quite a bit of juice in here. Have to be careful because I hope to eat this with my husband, but he is so picky. He sees too many tomatoes in here and he won't be down for it at all. Oh yeah, I got some cilantro I have to get out too and show you guys. Some people don't like cilantro. If you don't like it, don't use it. I love it, but my husband probably won't, so I'm going to use it as a garnish. Yeah, I'm not going to add any water because it's enough moisture in the Rotel for the seasoning. And I'm just basically breaking up the chicken and heating this through while my pie shell is in the oven, getting a par bake to set. Okay, this has been cooking about 10 minutes, and you just want definitely the moisture to absorb because you don't want a soggy pie. And if you don't want to use taco seasoning, use your own chili powder, oregano, adobo, whatever you like to season your Mexican food. And this is nice and smashed as I like it. Pie is in the oven. It's got about another 10 minutes to go. Okay, I've taken my pie crust out of the oven after 15 minutes. And you can see it has been somewhat cooked. Now I'm going to put it on top of a piece of foil in case you're getting it running over. I'm going to take my Doritos and just hand crush these for the bottom layer. Okay, then I'm going to spoon my chicken seasoned, taco seasoned chicken on top. want to save just a tiny bit, just to scatter across the top. And then here is where I add my ragu cheese, and it's pourable. It's one of the reasons I chose it. Just want to put some cheese on there. And I would add more rotel, but as I stated, I'm sharing this with my husband. He's not a fan of big chunks of tomatoes, so I'm adding another layer of Doritos right on top of the cheese. It's a quick, fast taco night dinner for Tuesday tacos. That's what your family likes. And this is in a form of a pie. Okay, and then on top of this, I'm going to use some sharp bag cheddar. You can grate your own, but everybody knows my channel is about quick, fast, easy meals. I'm just going to put some shredded cheddar on top. And the last of my chicken, I'm just going to lightly sprinkle across the top. It's not much. And there you have it. Now this goes into an oven at 350 degrees. I've dropped the temperature, and this will go for 35 to 45 minutes until the crust is completely cooked. There it is after 35 minutes in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and get it take it out of the oven and get everything set up. Tell you guys my joke. More importantly, please comment if you like this video and share. I respond to each and every comment. And watch another video. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. Okay, there it is. It's been cooking for about 30 to 45 minutes. Got some fresh cilantro. I'm not going to use too much because those that know me, welcome back. I have to pick this off. My husband will not be happy seeing green stuff on top of it. And a lot of people don't like cilantro. You know, it tastes like soap to a lot of the population. So if you don't like it and you want to garnish, use some parsley. And you can also use this with salsa, sour cream, which I have. I wanted pico de gallo, but the store was out and I was not making any fresh. So I'm going to get everything set up and tell you guys my joke. And thank you guys for watching. And God bless everyone and your families. Okay, I'm going to try and cut this and get a nice piece out to show you guys. A quick, fast, easy meal if you like Mexican food. I want this to set for about 15 minutes. I'm trying to cut down to the crust, so I'll be able to get this out. In worst case, you can scoop it out with a spoon. I don't think your family would mind. This is really good. Crust is crumbling. Chicken taco pie. I'm adding a little bit of extra rotel to mine because I love rotel. And like I said, sour cream, chives, anything you like would go perfect with this. Great, easy, quick weeknight meal. Okay, let me tell you guys my joke. A man goes to the doctor to get a checkup. The doctor tells him that he only has 6 months to live. So he says to the doctor, "Well, doctor, what should I do?" He said, "Well, what you need to do is you need to go and get your mother-in-law and get her to move in with you." And he asked the doctor, "Why? Would that help me live longer?" The doctor said, "No, but it will be the longest 6 months of your life." Oh my God, that's terrible. Rest in peace. My mother-in-law is a wonderful person, beautiful, gorgeous, very nice. Rest in peace. That's sick. Mother-in-laws always get a bad rap. That's terrible. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, please share this video. Watch another video. If you enjoy the jokes, there's a joke at the end of every one, and I try and give you guys an inspirational quote to keep you uplifted and on your grind. This is delicious. Add more cheese if you like. I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm kind of stingy on the cheese, but you can definitely use fresh grated. You can use a Mexican blend, any kind of cheese you guys like. Queso would even be delicious. But my husband, those of you who know me, welcome back. He's super picky, so I have to be very careful, and this meal is for him too. But if you have kids, they should love it. Like I said, chop up some pico de gallo. You can use sour cream on the side, add salsa on top, whatever makes it sound good to you guys. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I hope to see you on the next video.